Hello guys, my name is Sachin Pujari. So we are here to learn some basic and advanced concepts about binary options. So here today is our first chapter, that is the difference between binary and digital options. So here I have opened IQ option, as you can see here. There are basically two types of options, one is binary and another is digital. A lot of difference between this binary and digital is there, but most of the people don't know. So and most of the people might be knowing. So here I am again revising the concepts here. As you can see here in IQ option, there are two options, binary and digital. I have opened binary, Euro USD OTC market currency, and it is going, market is going like this. So everybody knows that in IQ option we can place the trade till 30 seconds. For example, now it is time is showing 6:50 to 43. Now new minute will be start at 6:53. So we will place the trade till 6:53 colon 30 seconds. Till 30 seconds we can place the trade for the next candle, and that trade will close at around 6:54. As you can see, suppose I place here call here. See, now expiry time is showing as 47 seconds, 45 seconds, and this time is 12 seconds is showing that still we can buy till 987 seconds another option. As you can see here, I have put another I have opened another trade. See, as you can see, now it is expiration time, we can't place the trade here. I am showing about this binary option. Okay, now see the magic here, I can sell here, sell all too, but now see, now after 15 seconds I can't sell the trade. As you can see, this is the binary option. That means after 45 seconds of opening this trade, we can't sell the trade. See, we made a loss here. Now I will show you a digital option. Now I think market will go again up. Now new minute has started. As you can see, 6:54 and 12 seconds. So I placed a call trade here. Now expiry time is showing as 40 seconds. Here we can see here it is still 5 seconds, we can place another trade. As you can see, I have placed another call trade. So here it is showing, now we can't place the trade. If we place the trade, it will be for another minute. Okay, so here the thing is that now we can sell these two trades till 59 seconds, as I am showing. See, now 10 seconds remaining, still we can able to sell the trades here. See, 5 4 3. See, I have manually closed the trade, and we booked 1.96 loss. Still that means $0.04 we still saved. That is the difference between digital and binary. That's why guys, I recommend to use IQ option and pocket option that provide digital trading options, and other brokers like Cotex, Binomo and Olim Trade, they provides only binary. That means after 15 seconds till remaining to close the trade or to expire the trade, that we can't sell the trade later. And in Binomo, everybody knows that we can't sell the trade after placing. Suppose by mistake we place the trade in Binomo, so we can't sell the trade. That means we have to place another trade opposite of it. That's the answer of it. That means guys, we have to be very careful in binary options, which currency to choose, which options are to be choose. That means binary or digital. I recommended you guys to choose digital option when you are trading using price action, because we can if we